On August 21st, a strip about 70 miles wide across the United States will see a total solar eclipse. Buffalo won't be so lucky, but we will be able to see a partial eclipse.
It'll start a little bit after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, where a very little bit of the sun will be covered by the edge of the moon. The maximum eclipse is at about 2:30 in the afternoon.
And that will be the most impressive time here in the metro. It will include 77% coverage of the sun. After that, things will start to move in the opposite direction, lighting up.
Then the moon will begin to move off of the surface of the sun and finally leave it at about a little bit before 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
That will allow for a little over 2 hours of something to look at in the sky. If you want to go somewhere locally to view the eclipse magnified, there are a couple of spots you can do so.
They include Buffalo State College, the Museum of Science, the Penn-Dixie Quarry, and Calvin Kruger Park up in Wilson. So those would be the places to go if you want to see a magnified view of the sun through a telescope and do so safely. This kind of equipment will be available at our public viewing sites.
Without the special tools these locations have, you'll be able to see a little bite taken out of the sun, but it won't be as dramatic. To enhance your view using gadgets you have at home, there are a few things you can do.
Start with a piece of cardboard. Cut out a small area and then cover that with aluminum foil that's taped in place. That'll allow you to get a nice small uniform pinhole, which will make for a clearer projection.
Another thing you can do that's even simpler involves a small cosmetic mirror and a paper envelope.
Put the envelope over the mirror, and you could even set this in a bucket of rice or sand or something to hold it in place. What will happen is the sunlight will bounce off of the mirror and create a projection of the sun on a white board or the room of a wall, and it'll be a nice, big, satisfying projection of the sun.
For more information on things you can do to prepare for the eclipse, head to the Founded on 4 section of our website. In Williamsville, Kaylee Wendt, News 4.